Amy Hoyt. A team from the National Weather Service surveyed the damage in Washington and Jackson counties this morning. They were there to determine if the storm system actually produced a tornado. As News 13's Chloe Sparks tells us, residents are trying to figure out what's next.
National Weather Service officials have confirmed it was an EF3 tornado that ripped through an estimated 8 miles of Washington and Jackson counties on Thursday. Meteorologist Molly Merrifield says they determined the severity of the tornado based on the damage assessment.
We had two manufactured homes that were completely destroyed. Unfortunately, that's where we had the fatalities, and those were strapped down pretty well as well. So that's why we're going with a EF3.
Merrifield says it's rare to see a tornado this strong in this part of the region. She also says there was a lot of change in wind speeds on Thursday.
We had about 60 knots or so right off the surface, just without even the storms involved. And then we had enough instability and all the ingredients just came right together to produce this really strong tornado.
Residents were in a state of shock Thursday. And even on Friday, they were still astounded by what happened to them.
I didn't know how to react. I just said, oh me. That's how my reaction was, oh me. Because I didn't know what to do or how to do it or how to say what. I just looked up to Jesus for answers.
Stewart lost his barn to the tornado, but he's confident he's going to get it back.
And after the insurance pays off, we get the crew out here, we'll be ready to go.
In Washington County, Chloe Sparks, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
National Weather Service officials want to remind you to always keep your weather alerts on, and you can download our Storm Track 13 weather app for updates.